Hello and welcome to another video of Ekcel Academy. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what are the important strategies to make you learn law subjects in a very easy manner. I always tell you, and you also know, that law subjects are very vast. So you have come from your degree or you're working or even done your master degree. But when you come to company secretary course, the law subjects look very vast and very big, and there are so many concepts to cover. So what we'll be doing is the 6 powerful strategies to learn law subjects. Yes, I'm going to be telling you 6 wonderful and powerful strategies which many of my students have used, and all of them have got above 60 in the law subjects. Please use these strategies. I'm not saying these are the only 6, but these are the most important 6 strategies which you can use. And if you use these 6 strategies, you will learn any law subject in a very easy manner. And the first thing before I go to the 6 strategies is concentrate on concepts. See, end of the day, we are trying to test the concepts. Never forget that. ICSI is testing your concepts. There are hundreds of concepts in law. Whether it is a simple concept like corporate personality or limited liability, it is a concept, right? Or you have the concept of separation of powers, you have the concept of director, you have the concept of shareholder. There are hundreds and hundreds of concepts in all the law subjects. And if you know some basic concepts, you can understand the difficult concepts. So always concentrate on concepts. Now that you know that concepts are crucial, let us go to the 6 powerful strategies which will make it easy for you. So skim the entire study material. This is the first strategy. So what do you mean by skim the entire study material? When we say skim the entire study material, you simply take your any law subject study material and you go through the detailed contents, right? You have the detailed contents before the first chapter, right? You just skim through that. If you don't understand anything also, it's completely fine. Please don't worry. The first thing is don't worry about anything. It's a process. Over time, you will start learning. See, law is a big thing. Suddenly in 1 week, in 2 weeks, in 1 month, you can't learn. But daily dedicated efforts will make you learn stuff. So skim through the entire study material. First, you skim through the entire topics which are there. Then you also go through all the pages. Don't read, don't understand anything, but you'll get the idea that what are the things covered. Even that is the first step you need to take. Don't worry if you don't understand anything or if you don't know any of the concepts there. Next thing is use multiple inputs. See, your brain is there, and end of the day you're using your brain to go write the exam or to start working as a company secretary tomorrow. So when you have your inputs, please take the inputs of reading, writing, listening, discussing and doing. See, doing is, yes, practically you'll do only when you start working or when you go for your practical training. But now you can do simple things like wherever it is drafting, you can draft the notice. Whether it is drafting resolution, you can try and draft the resolutions. That time you're actually doing. So when you're seeing, that is your reading. Then you're listening, it may be video classes, it may be my YouTube classes, or it could be your books. You're seeing, you're listening, or if you're going to a physical classroom, there you are listening, right? So you're seeing, you're listening, you're writing is very important. So multiple inputs to your brain with the same concept will help to understand the concept in detail. So this is very, very important for you to know. So what is the basic funda of this? See, scientifically, we have to use multiple sensory organs. Only then we will understand. See, if you see ancient India, there used to be Gurukula system, correct? So in Gurukula, you have to go to your guru and you have to live with them. You have to do everything, right? Whether it is learning, whether it is cooking, whether it is cleaning, whether it is helping your guru, and overall you learn everything. Yes, now you can't go to any Gurukula, but within your house, within the place where you study, you can definitely use all the multiple strategies, which is like listening, writing, doing, reading. So multiple inputs to your brain will make you understand the concept in a very, very easy manner. Next, we have the third thing. The third strategy is, why is the law there? What will it solve? Please analyze this. When you analyze this, concepts becomes very clear for you. Now you take the concept, very simple concept. Let's say increase of share capital of a company in company law. So why is the law even there? If the company needs more capital, it needs to be part of the MOA and the capital structure. So for that, how do you do it? There is a law. And what is the law? You can increase the capital by passing a resolution of shareholders. Now, how do you pass the resolution? Everyone you called for a meeting, correct? You're thinking, why is the law there? What will it solve? So you're having the questions. So what will it solve? Increase of capital. Once you increase the capital, the government has given you permission, right? What is the permission? To make sure that the capital can go up. Then you file the form SH7. So when you ask questions, if you keep asking questions about the same concept, you'll understand the concept very easily. Now let us go to the fourth strategy, active recall or retrieving all the information. See, now when we study, one common mistake every student does is about filling too much information into your head. You're reading, you're reading, you're reading. Everything is just going input, input, input. Nothing is coming outside. It is coming outside first time on the day of exam. Okay? And on the day of exam, you're not able to output only because you have done 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Some students have done input 1 year, full input. How will you do output suddenly? You can't. So that is why you have to keep retrieving information from your brain to test yourself whether you are understanding. It could be after studying one paragraph, it could be after studying one chapter, it could be after studying one subject. That is your wish. But every day you have to retrieve information from your brain, not just input information into your brain. Correct? So that is why I'm telling you, when you study, please use the 20-minute formula where you read for 10 minutes, then revise for another 5 minutes, then recall for 3 minutes, and then write for 2 minutes. That way, you're reading, revising, recalling, and writing within a space of 20 minutes. Your brain is more active and you're recalling all the information. This is an active recall, or this is active retrieval of information. Or you can even do a simple thing like we have given you many notes for all our online students who have paid and bought the courses. We have given many notes, which is Q&A format. So every concept with question answer. It is broken down into small pieces, right? Of course, if you want it, you can buy our course. But without that also, you can make your own. You can make your own question and answers. That way, when you study, your concepts become clear because you are adopting the concept of active recall. So as you can see, active recall is the fourth strategy. The fifth strategy, which I always suggest, is imagine you're advising as a company secretary. Just imagine you're advising as a company secretary. The same concept. That time you'll be more active, you'll be more alert. Okay, the director is asking me this thing. How do I advise him? What should I tell the director? What should I tell the shareholder? What should I tell the government? What should I tell the NCLT? I know it takes time. You will not become expert suddenly. Invest time. Keep working on yourself. Improve every day little bit. Then suddenly you would have improved so much without your knowledge. So you need to invest time. Please invest as much time as you can. You will be very, very good in the subject. You'll become an expert in all the law subjects. So that is why when you imagine, after you finish a concept, not when you're studying, when you finish a concept, you think you understand, try to teach it or try to imagine that, okay, tomorrow I am a CS and a director is asking me, government is asking me, my shareholder is asking me, my accounts department is asking me, CFO is asking me, how do I explain this? That time you'll know you don't know the concept full. Then you can go back, read, understand, and do the entire thing which I told: read, revise, recall, and write. Then the concept will become more clear. So it is like sharpening your skills. So if you keep doing the same thing again and again, especially like sports or cooking or any physical activity, see, let us say you don't know to make even simple tea or coffee. It's okay. But if you keep doing the same thing for 1 month, you will improve, correct? Let us say you don't know to play football or cricket or tennis or even running, you don't know, okay? But if you do the same thing every day, 30 days or 60 days or 1 year, you would have improved, right? Correct? You would have seen so many people, they'll be very fat, then they go to the gym every day and they do different yoga, they do different physical exercise, then they transform. How is that possible? Because they did something every day consistently for many days, right? Same way, studies is also the same. So please do it consistently and you imagine that you're a company secretary. It becomes very easy for you. So this is the 6 powerful strategies to learn any law subjects. We have completed 5. The sixth one is have a guide or a mentor or a sounding board. I am very much ready to help you. Yes, you can always take my help anytime. We have YouTube channel, we have Instagram, we have the Facebook, we have all the platforms. We are on Quora. Any of your questions we are also answering on Quora. Then we have the video classes if you want. Then even if it's not for that, you can WhatsApp us anything you want. So anyone, not just me, whoever you feel is good, whoever you feel is going to guide you, who's going to mentor you, who's going to keep on motivating you, and who's going to support you till you become a company secretary, choose that person. It could be a teacher, it could be a parent, it could be a friend, it could be anyone, it could be anyone even who is going to support you, right? It doesn't matter who that person is, but that person should guide and mentor you till you become a company secretary. So having that person will help you to do well. So this is the sixth strategy. So what are we doing? The six powerful strategies to learn lost subjects. If you adopt these six powerful strategies, you will do very well, and there is nothing for you to worry. You will definitely do well. So skim the entire study material, use multiple inputs, that is read, write, listen, discuss, and practically do that concepts. You'll understand very well. Why is the law there? You just think, you keep thinking, question. The more questions you ask, the concepts will become clear. If the concepts are clear, let them ask any question in exam, you can write it. That is the first thing you should know. Let them ask any question, you can write it, right? Then active recall of studying. Imagine you're a CS and you teach to somebody, right? When you imagine, you'll understand it even better. And obviously have a great mentor who can help you. So these are the wonderful six strategies. All the students who have followed these strategies have got above 60 and above 70 in my classes, whether it is my physical classes which I do or the online classes. So I invite you to please adopt these six strategies. Whether you're writing exam in June or December, it doesn't matter. Invest the time, improve yourself every day. You can definitely do it, and don't let anyone tell you that you're not good enough, because you are good enough and you can do it. Okay, so with that, we're going to end this video, and please do subscribe to Ekcel Academy and check out all the links in the description box below. We also have a sale going on which is relating to our CS executive. If you or any of your friends want to buy our video classes, this is the best chance. March 8th is the last date of the sale. After that, there are no discounts. Sunday, March 8th is last date. So please make sure that you will buy it before that. And apart from that, for more such videos and more support and motivation, follow us on YouTube, follow us on any social media, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you, and subscribe to Ekcel Academy, your one-stop solution for the CS course.